Yes.
Sir, I want to tell that your ATM card is running.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I want to tell you your ATM card closed for 6 months.
Hmm.
So do you want to renewal it again?
Sorry?
Do you want to renewal it again?
No.
Hello.
No.
What no? ATM card has been closed for 6 months.
Wow, I didn't know because yesterday also I used.
KYC no update. Okay, your Aadhaar KYC do not update.
Hmm.
Today's last date ATM card or Aadhaar KYC update again. Okay.
Okay.
So ATM card with you. Your ATM card with you.
Yeah.
Sir, ATM card put up your hand, sir. Your ATM card put up your hand.
Hmm. Yes, yeah. After that, what?
Hello.
Yes. Hello?
ATM card put up your hand.
Yeah. हो गया.
Wait, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What? After what?
There are 16-digit renewal number between the ATM card front side.
Okay. Okay.
So speaking.
Hello?